Hi foodies, today we're doing a really quick spicy garlic shrimp. Super simple, really tasty. All right, let's get into it. For this recipe, I'm using some whole shrimp, the head, tail intact. You can slit it and remove the veins if you want to. You can even take off all the shell if you want to. It's up to you. I'm doing it street side style, the way we do it in Jamaica with the entire shrimp whole. Okay, so I have some oil and the butter in the pan here, and what we're gonna do is just cook everything in the pan instead of boiling the shrimp first. Okay, so I'm going in with some spices. This is some cayenne and paprika. I'll leave all the details in the description box below. Okay, so just put it in there, and then we're gonna be adding some garlic as well, some finely minced garlic, lots of it. Okay, and then just stir everything together. After a few seconds, when this gets really fragrant, don't let it burn, guys, okay? Just after a few seconds, then we're gonna add the shrimp. So guys, the smell is unbelievable. Just add your shrimp, toss all of that together over medium heat, all right? And trust me, it's super flavorful because you see, we cook the spices briefly in the oil and the butter, so that just wakes up everything really nice. If you feel like the pan is drying out too much, then just add a little piece of butter, okay? And just keep tossing the shrimp. We'll cook this for about 2.5 minutes, okay? You'll see the shells start to firm up and getting pink. You can add some fresh thyme sprigs, or you can mince some leaves. And then I'm adding some chicken broth. You could use a vegetable broth as well. The reason I'm adding the broth is just to deglaze the pan, lift up all of those seasonings that might be stuck to it, and just to give it kind of a little bit of sauce when it's done. So just allow this to cook for another 1.5 minutes or so, and you'll notice the shrimp will soak up all the beautiful colors of that liquid. Beautiful. I do add some brown sugar just to balance out the flavor, okay? And you can give it a taste to see if you want to add a little more sugar. But be careful with salt, okay? Because we are gonna go in with some hot sauce right now. Okay, so we'll add the hot sauce and then stir everything together. Once you stir that together, you can check if you want to add salt, but I doubt you will need to because the hot sauce has its own salt, okay? After about 1.5 minutes, you are good to go. You can squeeze some fresh lemon juice all over, and you can garnish with some parsley if you like. It's as simple as that, guys. The look is, kind of similar to Jamaican style street side pepper shrimp. The only difference is we use Scotch bonnet, and for this recipe we're relying on cayenne and chili powder. So we're gonna be adding butter, just a little bit of butter, just to give me some more of that sauce, so you can add that and just swirl everything together, and that's it. Look at that, guys. It's beautiful. It's so flavorful. You can wear your gloves, or your clean hands and just have fun eating this, peeling the shrimp, and it's super juicy. Because that's one of the things I love about cooking shrimp in the shell. The shell just keeps all of that nice juice encased in there, and then when you open it up and taste it, you get all of that flavor. I had it with some boiled corn and some plantain. Really nice. Check out my boiled corn recipe. I did it with some coconut milk. Really nice. So give it a try and let me know what you think, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.